building, guys. I think it's raining. So blurred. I think I'm dizzy. Oh no. This is our kalapate. This is mata. This is agila. And there in the dulo is marikit. And one here is shadow. Hey, hi. That's not kapatid here. In here is not kapatid. Sorry, it's Takman. I cannot do that again. This is my cute Simon lunch bag. That's my powder. This is the world. And this is my slippers. That's damn kulungan. So blurred. It's too blurred. There, I fixed it. The pants in the box. This is the kalapate. This is my pet, Marikit. And this is Kuya Pet, Mata. Agila. Oh, Kuya Pet is Agila. I know, Kuya enjoy us. And Pet, that's not our kapatid. That's our friend. Kuya Sugar friend. My brother Kuya Sugar. Let me show you guys my face. Bye bye guys.